Allies have also committed to further develop.
Christopher Cavalli, the NATO Supreme Allied Commander Europe, has stated that Russia's casualties, killed and wounded, in Ukraine stand at over 200,000 troops. Casualties among officers stand at over 1,800, Cavalli says. Moreover, Russia has lost over 2,000 tanks, and spends about 23,000 units of artillery munition every day. Ukraine's General Staff says Russia lost around 150,000 in manpower since February 24, 2022, as of 2nd of March data, as well as over 3,000 tanks and 6,500 armored vehicles. The UK intelligence, ISW, and the New York Times reported earlier that Russia had suffered heavy losses in Volodya recently, including elite infantry. The New York Times cited Ukrainian officials and commanders and provided an estimate of at least 130 tanks and armored personnel carriers lost by Russia in a 3-week-long battle at Volodya in February, the biggest tank fight since the start of the full-scale invasion of Ukraine. Individual naval infantry units have been attached to ground forces-dominated groups of forces in Ukraine. As such, naval infantry has been tasked with some of the toughest tactical missions in the war and has suffered extremely high casualties, the British Defense Ministry believes. The US-based Institute for the Study of War said lately that the 155th and 40th Naval Infantry Brigades of Russia's Pacific Fleet had been merged into one brigade because of significant losses in the Volodya area and that Russian forces had deployed a National Guard Special Rapid Response Unit to prevent these personnel from rioting and refusing to fight. Russia suffered more combat deaths in Ukraine in the first year of the war than in all of its wars since World War II combined, according to a new CHEES analysis of the force disposition and military operations of Russian and Ukrainian units. The average rate of Russian soldiers killed per month is at least 25 times the number killed per month in Chechnya and 35 times the number killed in Afghanistan, which highlight the stark realities of a war of attrition. The Ukrainian military has also performed remarkably well against a much larger and initially better equipped Russian military, in part due to the innovation of its forces.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.